Hello friends, are you experiencing Instagram story like option not showing? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, tap and hold Instagram app, tap on I button, then tap on storage, clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one, calendar, call logs, camera, contact, location, microphone, nearby device, phone, and photos and videos. Then go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Search Instagram and update your Instagram app to latest version. Then open your Instagram app and open any story and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.